body girl flavor. Let's get into this dish right here. Okay. Okay, let's jump into how we created this. Okay, so we are gonna make spatchcock jerk chicken. So I started seasoning before I turned on the camera, but this is just a whole chicken that was washed with lemon and vinegar after I cleaned it. And I'm going in with my seasoning. I'm adding all the seasoning you can think of except salt, because most of these seasoning already have MSG. So we have onion powder, garlic powder, we have red pepper flake, we have Mrs. Dash, we have paprika, we have allspice, I'm sorry, not allspice, we have all purpose, we have chicken bouillon, we have Mrs. Dash, we have complete seasoning. So I'm just going in with all the seasons that you can name. After I've seasoned this, it is gonna be marinating for about 2 hours. So let's jump into it. And then after I add all those powdered seasoning, I'm going in with some browning and some jerk seasoning. I'm going to use powdered jerk and I'm going to use wet jerk. And the powdered jerk is from Spice Jamaica. If you have not used that jerk season before, give it a try. Okay, give it a try. So my chicken has been marinating for 2 hours or a little bit over. So I have a foil pan here and I'm greasing it with some oil. So here's my chicken after it has been sitting in the fridge for 2 hours or so. I'm gonna put it in this foil pan and we're gonna throw this bird into the oven for about anywhere between an hour 30, an hour 45, 2 hours at 375 degrees. Here I am just making sure it is sitting nicely. I didn't throw out that neck part that came with the chicken, so I'm gonna toss that in there as well. I hope you guys watch my jerk chicken neck video. Here I am just drizzling some Italian dressing. If you have not tried Italian dressing on your baked chicken, you're missing out, okay? So add it. So here I am trying to figure out where to put this neck because the chicken done take over all the pan. But I finally figured out where I wanted it to go. And then we're going to put our chicken into our oven. That remaining liquid that was left over from the pan that it was in, we're not going to toss that out. We are going to use that to base our chicken while it cooks until like the last 30 minutes. So that's the tip for keeping your chicken moist so it doesn't get dried out. So this is what we have after about 30 minutes in the oven at 375. I went between 375 and 4 for a little bit. But this is what we have after 30 minutes, and I'm using that sauce that was remaining to base it so it doesn't get dry out and it remain moist and juicy. So here's my chicken after an hour and a half. It is all, you can say it's there, but I'm gonna put it back into the oven. As you can see on the legs, I'm no longer using the liquid that it was sitting when it was marinating. No, I'm using the juices that it has formed in the foil pan to base it and to keep it moist and juicy. Here I have a little helper in the kitchen with me. So this is our chicken. It's basically ready, but I'm gonna put it back in there because I did check the breast part and it's a little bit under when I checked it with my thermometer. So I did put it back in, and this is the finished final product. Look at it. The skin is crispy, the flavors is there. Look at it. Look at this. And it's already breaking apart. You didn't really need to go in much with the knife. This is what we have here, and we're gonna serve it up. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.